Hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist. Today I have a question for you. Have you ever blocked someone on your iPhone and then had a little change of heart? Well, let's be very real. Somehow we always have blocked someone on our iPhone and then thought might be a mistake. So today in this video, I am here with some quick fixes and some super tips by which you can unblock someone on your iPhone. For that, first unlock your iPhone. Then open the settings app. Scroll down. Tap on apps. And go to the phone settings. Now in the phone settings, you need to scroll down a bit more and then look for block contacts. Just tap edit in the top right corner. Then tap the little red minus button next to the number you want to block. After that, just tap on unblock. And that's it. Super quick and super easy. Now you know how to unblock any number on your block list in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do comment in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.